Hello, Diana Teeters here. I'm in ProShow Producer 4, and I'm going to show you how to put together that really nice Hollywood open that we have on our demo where the red carpet clicks and then you got the door opening and the stage curtains and feature presentation and all that cool stuff, which is all found on Home Movie Essentials Volume 1. We're going to put that together today. We're going to break it up into 3 slides. Now, I've already got the clips that I need in a folder on my hard drive, and to actually view these a little bit easier, instead of having them in thumbnail viewing, if you would right click on any of the animations or any of the clips, you'll bring up a menu and go ahead and change it to details. That way you get to see the name of the clip, which is real important in this particular tutorial, keeping track with things. Okay, so the first thing that goes on slide 1 is the red stage red curtain lights. Now I have the AVI here. You could have the QuickTime, either one. This is going to go on the slide first. Slide 1. Takes it a minute to load. If we double click on this, it'll bring up the slide options. And we need a couple more layers to make this work. So if you click on the plus sign, we're going to add another video, and in this case, it's going to be the red carpet, and this is the QuickTime movie file. So let's double click that. And that'll load up. And now we need to bring in the mask for the red carpet. Now we'll wait till that finishes here. Okay, now let's go into add masking layer, add image or video, and we're going to select red carpet mask. And when that finishes loading, we're going to say OK. And we need to come in here and change the duration by just clicking in here on the 3. We'll just enter a 6. That'll make it a 6-second clip. And let's just play this. This is the first slide of 3. So this is the part where it opens to the curtains. Okay, let's go on to slide 2. Slide 2's first movie will be feature. And again, you can use either the AVI or the QuickTime movie. So let's drag that to slide 2. Now there's one thing that we need to do, it's really important, is the transition setting here. We need to change that to cut. So if you would double click on that and select cut. So that'll just be a straight cut from what finishes here into this. Okay. So let's double click on the second slide to bring up the options. And now we're going to load stage red. So let's do that by hitting the plus sign, and we're going to add image. We're going to add video. And we're going to add stage red open. This is the curtains opening. And it takes it a minute to load. Okay, now let's go add the mask. And you come down here, add mask layer. And in this case, we're going to use stage red open mask. Click OK. Okay, let's change the duration of this slide to, let's make it 5. Okay, and then we need to change, we're going to go into the third slide, and again, change this to cut. Okay. So finally, the third slide is the part where you actually zoom into feature presentation. So again, we're going to have feature presentation at the bottom, the first thing on the slide, and let's bring up the options, and we're going to add the animation where it actually is zooming into the curtains. So we'll do stage red zoom. Okay, and now let's go add the mask. Okay, and finally, let's change the duration of this slide to 6 seconds. Okay, let's see what we have here. And we'll start here. And there you have that whole sequence. Appreciate you watching and stay tuned for more in the future.